Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to find out and check what version of Windows 10 you have on your PC or laptop. You might want to know which version of Windows 10 you have in order to check for compatibility problems with apps and programs. If you have problems updating Windows 10, then click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine that will help you with that. I'll be showing you two different methods to find out the Windows 10 version in this video. It's up to you which you follow, but I've included them both in case one doesn't show you all of the details. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. The first method is nice and simple. First, open up the main settings page. You can get there by clicking on the cog icon within the Start menu. In the settings, click on System. Within the System settings, click on About from the options on the left side. It should be the bottom option on the list. In here, look for where it says Windows Specifications. Under this, you will be able to find out the version number as well as the date it was installed. You can close the settings once you have the info you want. The second method should confirm what it says in the settings. To do this, first open the Start menu and search Run and then click on it. You could also press the Windows key and the R key to bring up the Run box too. In the Run box, type in msinfo32 and hit the Enter key or click on OK. It should now open up the System Information window. When this opens, first make sure System Summary is chosen on the list on the left side. It should be the top option. Now look down the list until you find where it says Version. It should be second on the list and under the option called OS Name. This will show you the Windows 10 operating system version and should match what it said in the settings. You can close the System Information window once you have made note of the information you want. And so that is how to find out and check what version of Windows 10 you have on your PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.